Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. I'm Charlotte and today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Sport 3-litre diesel Autobiography Dynamic in Loire Blue. This car has previously had 2 owners and is next due for a service in November 2022. It's done 46,883 miles. As it's part of our approved use, you get a minimum 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the vehicle and then I'll get inside and show you all the technology. So you have Xenon headlamps with LED signature, giving the car a modern exterior. "21-inch diamond turned finish alloys and red brake calipers for a sportier look. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have plenty of space there for 3 passengers, including ISOFIX brackets, which is ideal for families, a centre armrest for maximum comfort, and a 4-zone climate control. You also have a powered tailgate, which is really helpful if you do have your hands full. As you can see, you've got enough space there for all your personal items, such as golf clubs and pushchairs, and you can also put the seats down if you need more room, along with 2 extra seats, which is ideal for families, and an electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one, and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. With this car you also have a privacy glass and keyless entry. Going into the driver's side, you have illuminated Range Rover script tread plates, electrically adjustable front seats, a leather steering wheel, dark engine turned aluminium trim finisher, perforated seats, and a sliding panoramic roof, allowing a lot more light into the car and really brightening up your interior. So that's the end of your 360 tour. I'm now going to get inside and show you the technology. On your right you have memory seats, perfect if there's several people driving the vehicle, along with a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Controls on your wheel, including adaptive cruise control with Q Assist, which is perfect for motorway driving and long journeys. A heated steering wheel, which is ideal for a cold winter morning. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go, and voice control. You have an interactive driver display where you can view your driving features, trip, display, so you can change it if you want the sat-nav in front of you, and vehicle setup. You have a touchscreen with sat-nav and DAB radio, along with a rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier, especially if you're not used to having a bigger car. You also have ambient lighting with many different colours to choose from, which looks really effective, especially in the dark. And eco data, which tells you how well the car has been driven, for example if you're braking too hard. You also have heated and cooled front seats that are practical for winter and summer, so that every journey is luxury. Various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving the vehicle, making it suitable for all conditions. And finally, in your armrest you have a cooler compartment, which is useful for long journeys and keeping refreshments cold. Stepping back outside the vehicle, thank you for watching this video on this lovely Range Rover Sport 3-litre diesel Autobiography Dynamic in Loire Blue, which is part of our approved used. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.